Alright, hey YouTuber, back with making another video. It's been a while since I've been making another vacuum video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up if you like the video, comment down below what you want to see next, or if you have any questions, I'll get to you, back to you. Well, what we have here is a Hoover twin chamber self-propelled wind tunnel. This vacuum came from a local repair shop. I ran across this because I was letting them know I had a problem with another machine or whatever the case, and I ran across. Well, actually, they had this in the back room. So I said, okay, well, this cost $50. And well, my grandfather had $60. We put money down for this machine. Plus, we bought a new filter for one of the Hoover WindTunnel self-propelled in the corner. Model is a U6-630 960. This was made in August of 2002. These are the last good Hoovers. This was made in America, like the U6432, U6433, U64, whatever model they have. These are the last good real Hoovers right here. It did have attachments on it, but I took the furnace nozzle and the dusting brush out, and I put in another self-propelled wind tunnel. It did come with two of these. But I took two of these off and put it on another machine on a different model. It's in good condition. It runs. And matter of fact, this is the quieter machine than some of the, because this is the twin chamber model. This is bagless. And this one is quiet than the bagged units I do have. It's been cleaned up. I got it all cleaned up. Got wiped out. Filters washed. Got a little dirt up in there. The twin chamber filter has been cleaned. And everything, the dirt cup and everything has been washed out also as well, cleaned up. As you can tell, it's clean. I put a CWP, a spare CWP brush roll in, change the flat belt. Yep. As you can tell, it has a dirt finder on this. The high and regular is the dirt sensitivity. If you have it set to high, well, I normally set it to high when for carpet cleaning. So you have your height adjustment and your brush roll. The knob to turn the brush roll on and off, because there's an idler arm in here that locks, that disengage the brush roll. And then you have your carpet height and then your knob for to adjust, to clean the carpets. Just whatever carpet level you have, like flat. If you have flat carpet, like commercial, set it to low. If you have like residential, like this is thick carpet, I would set it to number 1. I normally set it to medium, like I set the other models, bagged models, to medium. You have your turbo brush. That's your turbo brush. Like I said, the dusting brush and the upholstery tool is not in there because I took that out. And also, I got it, and it came with 2 of the extension ones. It just didn't come with that 2-in-1 lone crevice tool, like you see on the different models, and also the non-self-propelled models as well. Like I said, this machine is quiet. And if you guys want to comment down below if you guys want to see a face-off, like a a battle, doing like with 5 Hoovers, like the twin chamber versus whatever model I have in the WindTunnel line. It's a rock. I gotta throw this up. So yeah, gonna run this. Oh, and also I did eventually I washed up the filter on the side of it. And that's something I'm gonna show before I run the machine. I only see. I put wash the HEPA filter, and I also put in a deodorizer in there to make it smell good. But with that being said, we are going to demonstrate it. So, and then I got more vacuum videos coming along the way. And I do have another different self-propelled wind tunnel as well. That's gonna be in a later video as well. So yep, stay tuned for more. So yep, I got more videos coming along the way. This model is not even as loud as the ones almost tripped. Almost tripped over the vacuum cord. Anyway, what I was gonna say is this one is not even as loud like my Turbo Power 76, my Ultra, my manufactured model, but which I actually did change the suction fan on both models, the Turbo Power 76 and the manufactured model. Okay, so yep, machine, it's good cleaner. It's not as much dirt like I just picked up because I already vacuumed here, but you could tell that the filter it gotten back dirty. But other than that, yeah, this is my the video of my Hoover twin chamber U6630 960 self-propelled wind tunnel vacuum. So Subscribe, like the video, thumbs up. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, which I actually gotta get that set up anyway. Comment down below what you want to see next, or if you got comments, questions, I mean. Yeah, stay tuned for more.